Dear students, hope you all are learning and revising your lessons at home. Chapter 7 Tenses is in continuation and we have already finished present tense. Topic for today is past tense. The past tense is used to describe things that have already happened. It is a verb form that shows action that has already taken place. The first category of past tense is simple past. The simple past tense describes actions and states that began and ended at a specific time in the past. It is used for an action that finished at some time in the past. We often talk or think about a definite time in the past, like yesterday, last Monday, last month, etc. For example, she read the book last Sunday. Here, action started and completed in the past. See the timeline. The action of reading book started in the past and also finished in the past. These words of time expressions are used with simple past tense to indicate when the action occurred. For example, yesterday, last night, last week. Now, structure of sentences in simple past tense. Affirmative sentences. First of all, subject, then second form of verb, and then object. You can see the example. I is the subject, took is the second form of take, and then object tea. I took tea. Now see how to make negative sentences in simple past tense. First of all, subject, then did not, then first form of verb plus object. Remember that in past tense, simple past tense, first of all did not, then first form of verb. Aisha did not help me. Here did not plus help. Don't use helped. Now structure of sentences in simple past tense for interrogative sentences. First of all did, then subject plus first form of verb plus object. For example, did Aisha help me? And then question mark. Now past continuous tense. Past continuous is used to express a continued or ongoing action, the action which was going on in the past, which occurred in the past and completed at some point in past. For example, he was laughing. This sentence shows that the action of laughing of a person was going on in the past. Now structure of sentences in past continuous. For simple sentences, first of all subject, then was or were plus first form of verb plus ing. That means subject plus was or were and ing form of verb and then object. For example, Ali was flying kite. In past continuous tense, with I we use was, with you, we and they we use were, and with he, she, it we use was and then ing form of verb. Take some more examples. I was watching TV when she called. Children were playing games. Now structure for negative sentences in past continuous. Subject plus was or were plus not plus ing form of verb and then object. For example, Ali was not flying kite. Structure for interrogative sentences in past continuous tense. Then first of all was or were in the front of the sentence plus subject plus ing form of verb and then object. For example, was Ali flying kite and then question mark. Now the most important part, uses of past continuous. Past continuous tense is used for the actions that were in progress in the past at the same time, we are talking about the two actions that were in progress in the past at the same time. For example, while I was reading, he was writing. Two actions were going on. I was reading and he was writing. Now see this important use of past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is often used with simple past. It shows that the action was continuing at a time when a new shorter action happened. The simple past is used for the new action. You can understand better with the help of this example. The children were playing in the garden when their parents arrived. Here we are talking about two actions. The first one is the children were playing in the garden, and second, their parents arrived. So for the longer action which was going on, that is the children were playing in the garden, we use past continuous tense. And then the second action, the shorter action happened. Their parents arrived. We use simple past tense. So for the longer action which was going on, we use past continuous tense. And for the shorter action which happened in the middle, we use simple past tense. This is all for today. Thank you.